Hey, thanks for considering being an affiliate for TubeMagic, the best all-in-one suite of AI tools for growing your channel. Now, what you're probably interested in is making money from this software by promoting it, and you can do that, and guess what? We'll give you 50% commissions recurring for life. So if you sign up to promote this today, you can lock this in with your affiliate account, and all you have to do is just click the button on this page and sign up to be an affiliate with our payment processor, Digistore24. Once you've signed up, then you can grab your link and go out there and promote it. The best way of promoting is, of course, running YouTube channels that talk about how to grow on YouTube, just like this channel right here, which is a completely AI-run channel, and he talks about how to grow on YouTube, how to monetize on YouTube, and other things, and this would be the perfect type of channel to drive traffic to TubeMagic, get a bunch of people signed up for it, and get those monthly recurring commissions for life. And to help you out with this, I'm going to literally give you a bunch of video scripts, video ideas, and other things here on this page. So if you check out on this page, you'll see there's tons of different resources for you to use. Long-form scripts, long-form video ideas, but I'm also even going to throw in a short-form videos for you that you can go out there and promote as much as you want. You have my full permission of doing it as long as you're promoting TubeMagic. All of links down below, you can download all of those, as well as all the reviews we've got for TubeMagic. You can download those, as well as other brand assets, pictures that you can go out there and promote, and everything that you need to succeed promoting TubeMagic as an affiliate is here on this page. Check it out down below me. My name is Matt Parr. Thanks for considering promoting the best suite of AI tools on the market. TubeMagic is here to help you not only with growing on YouTube, but also earning an income through affiliate marketing. Hopefully I'll see you on the inside of being an affiliate. See you there.